So have you been looking for a way to remove stray hairs from your pictures and it has been giving you stress time? Now I introduce you to Evoto AI. Evoto AI can do this in seconds without you stressing yourself doing it manually. Here is before and here is after. Here is before and here is after. Follow me as I show you slides of how to remove this in Evoto. Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time of coming across my video, do it to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get it. So have you been facing this issue and you have been looking for a way to remove stray hairs from your picture? So today's class, that your question will be answered, and the only easy way you can do this is either removing it manually in Photoshop or you are actually using Evoto to remove it. So in today's class, I'll be teaching you on how to remove this with Evoto. So here you come to human on this side, automatically select female. All you do is scroll down, then you see down here, you see hair. Come down here to increase hair part a little. And what you are doing next is you are looking for the stray hairs, which is this place, hair perfection, stray hairs. Just take the slide to tally up to 100. You allow it to do its magic. So you can take this one down a little to bring out the hair. Take it up gradually to see the effect of it. I feel you should take this last one down, then you can take it up a little, take it up a little, take it up a little, and also like that. So you don't have to like overly stress yourself over this. So 100% fix this with Evoto. So Evoto can easily remove all the hairline just like that. You can try to add little bit of smoothing hair. You can try to add this frizzy back, bring it back a little rather. Then maybe take this up, take it up. Just basically play around with this because your own type of stray hair might be different. You want to take this up, then take this one up to 100 because for this hair it's really went out. So you just like this. So this image was gotten from Pics Imperfection. So you can see the tag on the image. I downloaded it from that channel. So you can just increase. Start to add a little bit of hair shine to it. Then I've been able to take this hair from looking like this to like this, looking like this to like this. So do it to subscribe to my channel so whenever I drop a video you'll be the first to get it.